Hello, all my fan, my subscriber, my supporter. Thank you very much. Today I'm going to make the noodle. I'm not even sure what the noodle called, but anyhow, it's a dish and the rice noodle stir fry that all my co-workers like it. So I'm gonna make it today and to bring it to work tomorrow on a December 12th. We're gonna have a little gathering potluck of the Christmas. I'm not sure, but anyway, I've been invited, so I'm gonna make something for them. And this is all the people like it, and they really enjoy them, and a really easy dish. And I'm gonna show you how do I make this noodle, and so everybody can make it at home and really easy. Hi friend, today I'm gonna come to make the noodle to party tomorrow at my workplace, and I'm preparing all the vegetable already right here. Some green bean, carrot, and cabbage gonna put into the noodle. I'm gonna make the ingredient of the mixture. So what I use the kind of bouillon powder in here. We use like this much on one, and then this is the garlic powder. I'll be like 3/4 of the tablespoon. It's much also. And then mix it. That's to put it into the noodle to make. And a pepper. Maybe like half a teaspoon of pepper. And that's it. We're gonna mix 2/3. And we're gonna make the sauce to go with it. This one you can adjust it later or add it whatever you want, but we're gonna use this is oyster sauce. Okay, gonna put it on 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. This is the black soy sauce. You can buy this from Market Basket. Also the same thing with this one. All this product is a Market Basket that you can buy. That's a black soy sauce. There's no sweet, nothing. You just add a color for the noodle to make it look darker. So this one, I'm gonna put equal amount of the oyster sauce. And this is seasoning. This one I have seen them sold in a Market Basket also. Might be a different bottle, but exactly the same kind, same logo too. So this one we're gonna put 1 table, maybe 2. Okay. And that sauce we just mix it together. And that's it. We're gonna get ready to cook. Alright guys, when I put the oil in here in the pot. Oh, kind of a little strong because turn it down. And I chop the garlic, put it in. The garlic just sizzling. I just this is the pork. Right in here and put it down. You're gonna let the pork cook, let sizzle a little bit. Down for a little bit, and now we're gonna add some sauce that I just show you that I added in. Get all the color. So let the caramel, the meat, and the sauce. It's very easy. That's a lot of people like, you have time in the morning getting up, but that's what I do. Oh, I added chicken broth to boil because the noodle is dry, so we're gonna put a lot in there. and use the whole thing. Chicken broth. Now we're gonna wait to bring it to the boil. At this point, that you can add the spice that we mixed earlier. Onion powder, garlic powder, and then bouillon powder, black pepper a little bit, and we're gonna cover to let it bring it to the boil. And we come to check when they boil. Okay, my friend, now it's water boiling. So after the dark soy sauce, and I think the liquid should be like this. And taste it a little bit. I think good. And this noodle, no need to soak, no need to nothing. Just take it out from the bag, put it in here. All the soaking up, all the goodness of the juice and of the dark soy sauce, and we put it in there with the pork. And this one gonna take some time, guys. So I just put it in there, the whole thing, make it delicious and yummy. So now we just have to cover, turn it down for a little bit, let it do the magic thing. And then it'll be like this. We're just flipping them from the bottom to the top, so let all the do their magic, soaking up all the flavor of the raw and the juice. So they did. We'll come back to check on them. Alright, after a few minutes went by, open it, see all the smoke. You too, okay? Spoon, tongue, whatever you want to use. And now be like this. I think I should use the tongue because it will separate easier. And we can start to separate them. See? So I'm gonna work on this. See the color? So they're gonna be a little salty a little bit, but after I put all the vegetable in, they're gonna become perfect together. But vegetable I didn't season anything vegetable yet, so you just have to do this. And go to one side over there a little bit. Now I'm gonna put some my vegetable in. Green bean, cabbage, carrot. Give it that much for now, and let's see if we need any more. Just go down, stir. Okay, you see the color of the vegetable and noodle come together. The noodle, it pretty much is all done now. Just have to wait for the vegetable to be cooked. That's all. The vegetables shouldn't be too long because I don't want them to be mushy. I want them to be a texture of vegetable still when you eat them. Wow. Really good, guys. Alright, I'm going to continue to do this and we're going to check out the final. I turned the heat to be the low to medium now because we don't need the heat to be over burning our noodle because all the juice is gone from the broth. The noodles suck it all up. See it? The string on them. And their color is pretty because it's a black soy sauce that put it in to make it that. Stir, 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 stir. That's it. Make sure all the vegetables spread around. Sometimes you get into the chunk like this, so you have to spread the noodle out. But we did not soak the noodle, we did not do anything. That's it. I see the color. The color? The color? And let's chop carrot. However you like carrot, I like it like this, so it depends how my mood is of the day. It is, guys. This is about to 90% done, so I just have to cook it slow down, slow the heat, and then let all the vegetable, soften up a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to taste it if you need anything out on them. Most of the time I just add a little more black pepper to it, or I don't. Sometimes I do, and Mary, my co-worker in A1, says she like it when a little spicy, but some people don't like it. But if they don't like it, they didn't complain though. There you go. Yeah. So check it out close. Right? See, that's how they look like. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, see 3 people. See you tomorrow. That's what I bring. Simple. Here it is. He's gonna try. How's it?
Good.
I guess that's a pass. Let's see. Yeah, it's a dish. That's all he got.